Hello everyone, I'm talking today about how I've grown from 17 subscribers to over 500 in about 15 days. So I posted a short video with a cereal craft video with my little boy, and in a short time I got up to 100 subscribers. For a long time I was at 17 views, but then it definitely helped. That little video picked up some viewers and subscribers, and as you can see, this one was getting at that point 17,000 views pretty quickly, and I would see it grow overnight and throughout the day. And as you can see, went from 100 to 222 within for a few days, and then that's up to 47,000 views. I was really surprised each day to see it growing so well, and at the same time I was consistently loading more videos each week, roughly 3 videos each week. And as you can see, it kept growing in the 48 hours, and I kept thinking, oh, I'm gonna hit my max of views, but subscribers kept going up, which was exciting, 317, while I kept publishing other videos. This was about the max real time I was getting for 48 hours, around 25,000 views, mainly with that short video, but also my other videos I was uploading. So it's 327, and then before I knew it, I was at 500, and I felt like that was such a great accomplishment, because that's one of the goals. You see 500 subscribers, 3 videos within 90 days. The biggest ones now are the hours, so I need to get up to 3,000 or more. Here are some of my top videos that I've been liked a lot, some craft videos, and it's exciting to see the likes that people are and views I'm getting with these videos. And I have 5 different advice to give with this success that I've been getting so far. Still quite a beginner in my opinion, but it's exciting to see the growth from these videos. And my number 1 rule will be yourself. Like, don't be afraid to show your videos. Like, stay consistent. I'm loading about 3 videos a week, and that's being consistent there. And learn and improve from your videos. There's a lot of learning you can do from what you share. Believing in yourself is important, and putting yourself out there with the videos you want to post. And last one is stay patient. I was at 17 subscribers for a long time, and finally, after a while, it started picking up and got to 500, and it's actually beyond that right now. So we'll see where it goes. Thanks for watching.